Today and tomorrow, you can pick up your sailors at the Yorktown parking garage. Sailors going on Liberty without a vehicle are to exit Gate 8 toward the train station parking lot. Naturalization sailors, please report to the chapel at the conclusion of today's ceremonies with your families for the naturalization ceremony. Thanks again to each and every one of you for joining us on this most memorable of Navy Days. And without further delay, now hear this, Liberty Call!
I'll be back.
You want to try it?